If you want to set up an alarm clock on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to go to the clock app. Next, at the bottom, switch to alarms, and then you most likely won't have any alarm yet, so you can press this plus button in the top right corner in order to create an alarm. You can add one. You can choose when the alarm should go off, so let's say I'm gonna choose 8 AM. Then we can choose the alarm to repeat in selected days of the week. You can of course select all weeks as well, all days of the week. Then we can also create a label, so we can set the name for the alarm. There we go. We can choose the sound for the alarm. So you can choose how you want the sound to sound like when you wake up or something. And then you can also add the snooze button as well. Once you are done, you can press save in the top right corner. And now in alarms, you should be able to find your alarm. Of course, you can turn it on or off over here on the right side. You can still customize it by tapping on the alarm to make some changes or to remove the alarm if needed. And if you make some changes, remember to press save in the top right corner. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!